Hello, this is episode 1 of Clay and Cole Creations. Because of the snow, I thought I'd do a little bit of a project myself. So, today I got 2 Nintendo Wiis, one of which has a game stuck in it, and the other needs a new disk drive. So, ordered a new disk drive, and we will be replacing it in one of the Wiis. And look forward to working on this. Okay, so I just cleaned the old disk drive from this Wii, and it works. So, I guess I'll put it back together? I don't know yet. Well, I got both Wiis working, so now I have 3 total. The second one you saw is now for sale on my Instagram. It's Clayman03, and that's all I got for today. Also forgot to say, please like and subscribe.